OpteriX makes it easy to register service requests and follow them up till they're completely handled. Let's see how it works. We start by launching the app, and this is a service dashboard where we see all these options. Among them, there is the one called service request. We select that, and this is where we enter all the detail. For example, supposing our customer says their name is Carnation, we just enter that a little bit, and then they say their site. Each customer may have multiple sites, so we must pick the site also. And as soon as we pick the site, the address is shown here. Now we select the complaint. What kind of complaint do they have? Supposing they're not able to switch on, then we wrote down switch on, cannot switch on, and then add a little description such as the AC automatically switches off. Okay, say that is the detailed description provided by the customer. Then we can assign a technician like this here. We can assign a technician later also, or we can do it right now. And we are assigning a assistant also. Save. That's it. The complaint has been taken. Now we can enter which machine in particular requires a service. So we click here and we are presented with all these different machines. And if there are lots of machines, you can search. Say the customer says the one in the living room, then we can search for living room and show this list of the machines in the living room, and then we can check which one. If the customer says the one in AMC, then we can pick that. We know that one of the machines is in AMC and the other is not over here, so we pick the one in AMC, and that's it, and save. That's that. The complaint has been entered, and we hit next to come back home. Now these complaints are being tracked here in this report. Current service requests. So this report presents the complaints which are due to be handled within the previous 2 days and the next 2 days. For example, the complaint we just entered has gone into this 15th. So we can go to that and see we have this Carnations complaint, and the technician will go and resolve it. And when that happens, a service report will get attached to it, and then we'll be able to close this complaint by clicking here and changing this to completed. When we do that, this complaint will be completed, and then we'll see that there is no complaint dated the 15th over here. That's it.